we are off on a new adventure this morning. Hey friends, Philip and I are in Picayune, Mississippi at the Coastal Ridge Flower Farm. Isn't it simply beautiful? When I talk about getting out of your comfort zone, this is what I'm talking about. You get out and you do something different. It's really good for your mind, body, and soul when you experience something different. And let me tell you, to experience nature in this way has been really, really wonderful for me today, because just taking in all of the beauty has been amazing. We are getting out of our comfort zone. We got up early this morning and we came out to look at the beautiful flowers that are here at this farm. I've heard about it for years and I've always wanted to come out here, and today I was able to have this experience, and it is simply beautiful. Hey friends, it has been so amazing to get out of my comfort zone and enjoy nature. Again, that's what I'm talking about when I talk about doing something creative, getting out of your comfort zone to add zest and exhilaration to your life, even if you have to get a little hot and sweaty to do it. But you know, we need the vitamin D. See you next time, friends. Bye.